I said when I was on the live today, I decided that I'm going to take suggestions from you guys, and the most number of requests were for tight shoulders and neck, something that is helpful for stretching and strengthening the neck and the spine. Let's begin with a little bit of sitting exercises. Make sure that your issue is not something bone related and it is muscle related. If there is any bone related spinal issue, then I would suggest you to please see a physiotherapist and get a test done, and you can come to me personally after this. So we start with keeping your eyes closed, roll the shoulders behind, keep your back straight. Chin should be parallel to the ground and your neck should not come forward, you push it behind. Stay there. Prepare yourself for class. With this, you start with joining the palms, clasping the fingers, stretch your hands forward. I'm going to do it sideways so that you'll understand how this to be done. You can sit in any cross-legged pose. Stretch your hands forward and slightly hunch your back, tucking the chin in. For 10 counts, push the shoulder blades together behind, look up. Again, hunch your back, tuck your chin in, back. Bring the hand behind, turn the palms around, stretch. Look up and stretch. Again, stretch. This is working on both your neck and shoulders. Then turn the palm upside, stretch your hands out, push your neck behind. Keep your chin parallel to the ground and back. Same thing, upward, stretch yourself. And then bring your hands back. Stay in for 10 seconds. You can increase it, repeat it 3 rounds. Push your, tilt your neck to one side. Now my neck is tilted to the right, so I will use the left hand to push the shoulder down. Basically, I'm just putting the weight of my left hand on the shoulder, and I'm going to put the weight of my right hand on the same ear. It will give me a gentle, tiny stretch. Right now it is on the ear. Now I'm putting it slightly behind the ear, so I'm slightly bending sideways. My left hand will be at its place. Then I'm placing it at the back of my neck so that I'm bending forward. I am not slouching or hunching my back. Repeat the same thing with the other side. Place the hand, inhale and exhale. You can breathe, inhale, exhale 5 rounds till you stay there. With every time you exhale, relax and feel the stretch deepen. And then the back. Then clasp your fingers, place the hand at the back of the neck, slightly above the end of the head, and relax. Now we will stretch the neck upward. So I want you to place your hands in the position of a flower. Place the hands underneath your chin, that is on your jaw, and slowly lift it up. You should feel the stretch on your neck and compression on your cervical spine. You will feel a sweet pain in your neck. If the pain is bad, stop immediately and rest. It should not be bad. You will feel a sweet pain because of the compression. The next thing is, again, you pull the hand behind, use the hand from below and try to push the right hand up, trying to touch your cervical spine. Use the hand to stretch it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can inhale, exhale as comfortable. Every time you exhale, just try to relax the hand first. Then I'm taking the other hand. I'm using my hand to pull the elbow in. And I'm trying to push my palm up. So when I push my palm up, I'm trying to push it as high as possible. Do not change your neck. Don't try to touch your hair. Don't do anything. Try to keep your posture as straight as possible. Then the same thing we will do, but from above. So I'm going to push my elbow behind my head and try to look up. You get a good, beautiful stretch on your arms, on your shoulders, and then to the other side. Bring it back. Now we do both of them together. Sorry. Place the hand behind and use the opposite hand to hold the hand. Place it behind the head. Keep pulling the hands towards each other. If you all cannot do that, if you all cannot touch the hand, if you're too tight, use a handkerchief in between both the hands, or any cloth or anything that you all can hold. Back, other side, stretch. Again, try to look up, push your head behind for a better stretch. Then from here, place the hands. You go 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to do a full movement. Back, bring the shoulder blades together and apart. Then open up, place, stretch, 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 and twist your neck towards the hand. Back, stretch, 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 twist the neck towards the hand. From here, you can place your hands above the knees. Twist, center, twist, center, tilt without support, center, tilt without support, center, down and clockwise rotations, anti-clockwise rotations, 2 rounds. From here, for people who want to strengthen the neck, the next one, you're going to take one hand, place it on the right side of your face, probably touching the ear, and push your face towards the hand and hand towards the face. This is basically going to strengthen your neck and shoulders. Make sure the neck is not coming forward, it is back in place. 10 counts each side, other side. Then with both the hands from behind, you have to push your hands forward and you have to push your head behind. It's basically creating resistance. Same thing, forward and relax. It's as important to strengthen the spine as to stretch it. When people have a weak cervical spine, a weak neck, that means it does not have strength. If you have a stiff neck, also you need to strengthen it, because that means the stiffness is coming from the weakness of it. Stretching it during a spasm or anything like that, that will create some kind of relaxation temporary, is also very, very good. But on a longer run, you need to strengthen the spine, which is more important than stretching the spine, the neck, especially when you have problems in your vertebrae. From here, this was one. You can also bring both the hands behind, stretch yourself up, and then back down. Okay, from here you can do cat and camel pose. Okay, so in the cat and camel pose, first I'm going to show you to strengthen the arms and shoulders and the neck. So I'm hunching the back and I'm bringing the shoulders together. 1, 2. Shoulder blades together, apart. Together, apart. You can do 20 to 30 of these. Make sure you're not hunching the back and your ears are away from the shoulders. You keep pushing the shoulders behind. Then you start with the cat and camel. Look up. Inhale up. Exhale down. In this position, another way for a good posture as well is you can place the hands down, put the head down. And for those who want to additionally stretch the shoulders, the triceps, and deepen their back bends, can also do this. From here, you get into lying down position. These are just the few things that all can do together. Place the elbows in and get into the Sphinx pose. Bring the shoulders away from the ears. And look straight. Make sure you're not looking up. Your neck is supposed to be in the same line of the spine, the rest of the spine. Hold here for 10 counts. Next one is for strengthening the neck again. Place the hands down, feet together. Lift up. You will keep looking down. You will not look up. Tuck your chin in. I am not putting any weight on my hands.